In this video, we will talk about emerging technologies, so make sure to watch the full video. Emerging technologies are rapidly transforming the landscape of our daily lives and industries. These innovations, ranging from artificial intelligence to renewable energy solutions, hold the potential to reshape economies, enhance productivity, and improve overall quality of life. As we venture into an era characterized by rapid technological advancement, understanding these technologies is crucial for businesses, governments, and individuals alike. By exploring their implications and applications, we can harness their benefits, drive innovation, and prepare for the future. Staying informed about emerging trends ensures that we are ready to adapt and thrive in an increasingly tech-driven world. 1. Introduction to emerging technologies. Emerging technologies are innovations that are currently being developed or will be developed over the next few years, significantly impacting various industries and society as a whole. These technologies often represent a paradigm shift in how we approach problems and interact with the world around us. Understanding emerging technologies is crucial for businesses, governments, and individuals alike, as they hold the potential to transform economies, enhance productivity, and improve quality of life. From AI to renewable energy solutions, these advancements can lead to groundbreaking changes in healthcare, transportation, communication, and environmental sustainability. As we navigate this era of rapid technological advancement, it's essential to remain informed about these emerging trends and their implications for the future. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are at the forefront of technological innovation, transforming industries by enabling machines to learn from data and make decisions. AI encompasses a range of technologies, including natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics, all aimed at mimicking human intelligence. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves algorithms that allow computers to learn from and analyze data patterns without explicit programming. These technologies are revolutionizing sectors such as healthcare, where they enhance diagnostics and personalized medicine, finance, through algorithmic trading and fraud detection, and marketing, by optimizing customer experiences. As AI and ML continue to evolve, their potential applications seem limitless, promising to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and unlock new opportunities across various domains. 3. Blockchain and decentralized systems. Blockchain technology is rapidly gaining recognition for its ability to enhance security and transparency in various sectors. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger system that records transactions across multiple computers in such a way that the registered transactions cannot be altered retroactively. This feature makes it a robust solution for issues related to fraud and data tampering. Originally developed for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain has applications that extend far beyond digital currencies. It is being used to streamline supply chains, enhance data security in healthcare, facilitate smart contracts, and promote transparent voting systems. As industries seek to adopt more decentralized systems, blockchain stands out as a transformative technology that can enhance trust, accountability, and efficiency across the board. 4. Quantum computing. The next frontier. Quantum computing represents a significant leap in computational capability, harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways that classical computers cannot. Unlike traditional computers that use bits as the smallest unit of data, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, enabling them to solve complex problems at unprecedented speeds. This technology has the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, financial modeling, and optimization problems. However, quantum computing is still in its infancy, with ongoing research focused on developing stable qubits and scalable quantum systems. As advancements continue, the ability to tackle problems that are currently intractable for classical computers will unlock new possibilities and reshape industries worldwide. 5. 5G and the future of connectivity. 5G technology is set to transform the way we connect and communicate, offering faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect a vast number of devices simultaneously. This next generation of mobile networks promises to enhance mobile broadband, enabling seamless streaming of high-definition content, augmented reality experiences, and real-time gaming. Beyond consumer applications, 5G is poised to facilitate advancements in the Internet of Things, IoT, smart cities, and autonomous vehicles, driving efficiencies and enabling new services. As the infrastructure for 5G expands globally, it will not only improve connectivity but also foster innovation in industries such as healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing, ultimately enhancing productivity and enhancing quality of life. 6. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, are immersive technologies that are reshaping how we interact with digital content in the physical world. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception of reality, while VR creates entirely simulated environments that can be explored and interacted with. These technologies have found applications across various sectors, including gaming, education, training, and healthcare. In education, for instance, AR can bring subjects to life, making learning more engaging, while VR can simulate real-world scenarios for training purposes. As AR and VR technology advances, their potential to create engaging and interactive experiences will continue to expand, providing new avenues for storytelling, collaboration, and problem-solving. 7. Internet of Things, IoT, and smart devices. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data over the Internet. This technology enables everyday objects, from home appliances to industrial machinery, to become smart by incorporating sensors, software, and connectivity features. IoT has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, including agriculture, healthcare, manufacturing, and smart homes, by enabling real-time monitoring and automation. For instance, smart sensors in agriculture can optimize water usage, while wearable devices in healthcare can track vital signs and alert medical professionals to potential issues. As IoT technology continues to evolve, its integration into daily life will enhance efficiency, improve decision-making, and create new business opportunities. 8. Autonomous vehicles and drones. The rise of autonomous vehicles and drones marks a significant milestone in transportation technology. Self-driving cars utilize advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to navigate roads and make real-time decisions, aiming to enhance road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and improve mobility for individuals unable to drive. Drones, on the other hand, have found applications in various fields, including delivery services, agriculture, and disaster response. Both technologies promise to revolutionize transportation and logistics by enabling faster and more efficient operations. However, regulatory, safety, and ethical considerations remain critical as these technologies develop. As advancements continue, autonomous vehicles and drones will likely play a pivotal role in reshaping how we transport goods and ourselves. 9. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biotechnology and genetic engineering are rapidly advancing fields that leverage biological processes to develop innovative solutions in healthcare, agriculture, and environmental conservation. Biotechnology involves the manipulation of living organisms and biological systems to create products that benefit society, such as biofuels, biodegradable plastics, and pharmaceuticals. Genetic engineering specifically focuses on altering an organism's genetic material to enhance traits or introduce new functions. In medicine, genetic engineering plays a crucial role in developing targeted therapies, gene editing technologies like CRISPR, and personalized medicine tailored to individual patients. In agriculture, it allows for the creation of genetically modified crops that are resistant to pests and environmental stressors. These advancements hold significant promise for addressing global challenges such as food security and disease management. 10. Sustainable technologies and clean energy. As the world faces increasing environmental challenges, the need for sustainable technologies and clean energy solutions has never been more pressing. Innovations in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower are transforming the energy landscape, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. Energy storage technologies, including advanced batteries and grid management systems, are crucial for making renewable energy sources more reliable and accessible. Additionally, sustainable technologies extend beyond energy generation to encompass energy-efficient systems, waste management solutions, and sustainable agriculture practices. By investing in and adopting these technologies, we can address climate change, promote environmental stewardship, and create a more sustainable future for generations to come. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before